Did you know that the strength in your legs, the power that helps you walk, stand up and climb stairs, can come back? Without any gym or difficult workouts? Yes, this strength can actually increase while you sleep. Just one small habit, a spoonful of slow-digesting protein or warm milk with turmeric and cinnamon, and your body will be quietly rebuilding itself all night. As we age, our muscles gradually weaken. A little stiffness here, some weakness there, and then bigger problems. After the age of 60, this process speeds up. Getting out of a chair, going for a walk, or carrying groceries can become challenging. Many seniors face frustration, fear of falling, and even isolation. But all of this can be completely reversed. The secret is that muscles don't grow during activity, they grow during rest and sleep. While you sleep, your body repairs and rebuilds damaged muscle tissue. And if you provide the right nutrition before bed, this process becomes even more effective. That's why just one spoonful before sleep can be so powerful. Whether it's slow-digesting protein or a warm milk blend with turmeric and cinnamon, it delivers amino acids to your muscles throughout the night, preventing breakdown and supporting repair. Focusing on your leg muscles is crucial because they are the foundation of your independence. Strong legs keep you self-reliant, maintain your balance, and give you the confidence to move. Weak legs mean lost freedom, plain and simple. Imagine this, every night. One drink, one spoon, and within a few weeks, you'll notice the difference. Standing up feels easier, walking feels easier, stairs aren't as intimidating, and you regain confidence in yourself. This isn't magic, it's simple science that supports your body's natural processes. Getting started is easy. Take a glass of warm milk or your favorite high-protein alternative. Add 1 spoon of slow-digesting protein or a calming blend of turmeric and cinnamon. Drink it slowly, then go to sleep peacefully. Your body will do the rest. No running, no weightlifting required. 1 spoon every night. In just a few weeks, you'll feel your legs getting stronger, regain independence, and your life will be filled with freedom again. It's time to reclaim your strength.